Hi there, Keen Traders. This is Chris Keen from A Keen Point of View, and this is Currency Watch. We're going to take a look at the big majors here today, the Great Britain Pound and the Euro USD, because these babies are sitting right at significant support and resistance levels. And if something gives here, we could have a major trend shift where we could see a push towards significant lows. The Great Britain Pound USD, you can see, is sitting right here at between the 240, 155.70 level. This is a significant resistance zone that goes back and has been tested once, twice, 3, 4 times. You can see the pair has been bouncing in between this level and the 163 price level since the middle of 2012. So what we can see, actually 2011. So you can see that the pair has moved up to test 163 and now is all the way sitting right at the bottom of its range. And we're looking to see if we get a hold here or a break. If we get a break here, the game is off, and we could see an accelerated move lower. And the price targets, there's a lot of hot air right there. But if we do get a hold here, then we could cycle back up and we could see the beginning of a retracement in this pair. The cross is down throughout the day. It started the day at 154.46, so the cross is down over 200 points, so it's significantly over its average ATR at the moment, and we could get a pullback from this point in North American trading. But if we do get a pullback, you could look for a move back up towards the 154, but more importantly, I would be watching the price action towards the 50 fib of today's move, which I know for a fact comes in at 153.13, so I'd be looking for a target of any pullback towards that level. If we do get a push back up to 154, we could see sellers coming there, or we could just get consolidation over the next 24 hours in this range. Now if we do break below, we could see an accelerated move lower, and we'd have to go with psychological levels at this point, and I wouldn't feel comfortable actually just throwing them out, but let's just say the target could be the 150 level over the short term. The next pair we're going to look at is the Euro USD, because this pair, not so much as similar to the Great Britain Pound USD, but it is challenging the bottom of its range that it has been consolidating in over the last few weeks. The top of the range was this resistance level between 134.80, which was the 50 fib, and 135, and the bottom starts at this was 133, 130.25, but now it's between this 133 and 132.50, and you can see this was quite a consolidation zone heading back on the way up and on the way down. We can see that we had a lot of pushes and pulling at this level, so we're going to watch the pair and see what we get on this. And if we do get a breakthrough, then we could see definitely a switch lower in the first level with the fib level here at 131.47, or basically the 131 for a continued move lower. But if we get a hold here, we could definitely cycle back up, and I would be looking for a move at least to the 50 fib of this move, which was what, 134.26 down to 132.74, which was about 150 pips, so it would be 75 pips from here, let's say around the 133.30, 133.40 level, where we would check the price action to see if buyers do reemerge. And everybody, there's a lot of interest setups across the board, so keep your eyes open for trading opportunities over the next 24 hours. Remember to keep your trades keen and to play it safe, and check out the new video on the cow trading technique that I just posted on the blog. We've been averaging over 500 pips a month, in that over the last 15 months. Yeah, all right, everybody, keep your trades keen and play it safe.